Hello everyone, welcome to the PBN Builder tutorial on how to create a client. So let's first come over to the sidebar over here and let's click on Clients. It will drop down a menu and you click View Clients. It will load the screen and pop up right here. As you can see, I don't have any clients yet, so you're going to come over here to this big plus sign, click that. Once this page appears, type in the client name. Test Limo Company is what I'm going to be using. Choose a logo. I'm just going to use my company logo just because. Ignore monthly outbound link limit at the moment. And ignore total outbound link limit. Ignore all of those. Now this is a cool little portion of the site. Notes. You can add the email of the contact you have with a client, the telephone number, their website. You can even add a new portion to the notes to tell you the point of contact, which would be Brian Samuels. Brian Samuels. Come over here, click the plus button. And that way you know who to contact when you call them via phone or email. And then you can save any type of information here. And then click Add. And there you go. You have your new client added. Now, click on the yellow pencil and we will go back in to describe some of the other portions of the site at the moment. Monthly outbound link limit. This is the amount of links you would wish your client to have and for the software to track each month. So if you think you only want to send 12, put 12 in the box. A check mark will happen and click Update. Now what's going to happen is you see monthly links now has 0 out of 12. This will keep track of how many links you have sent to a client a month and will restart each month. If you go back to the yellow pencil to go back to the edit page, let's remove the 12 and let's say you don't want to send more than 50 links to this client, period. You have a contract that says this is how many you get. You don't get any more unless we renegotiate. So you click 50. Click Update. Now instead of the monthly links having a number, you have total links in a number. So the software is keeping track of how many links that you have total rather than just a per monthly basis. Next, we need to talk about authority links and images and videos within the client portion of this software. So what we have here is you have authority link categories and image video categories. Now nothing comes up as of right now. You actually have to go create these categories for each client, or you can use the same category for multiple clients. I would highly recommend against that simply because you will have, for example, this Test Limo Company will have different pictures, images, and authority links related to this client, whereas for example, HVAC company would not need pictures of limos and party buses, etc. So what we need to do is come over here, click this drop down. Let's do authority links first. Come over here and let's name it Limousine Authority Links. Okay, click Add. Alright, now you've got the group added, but now you need to add an actual authority link to it. So we need to research limousine articles or travel articles. And just for the sake of time, I'm going to click this link, copy and paste it. This is just to show you what's going on. This is not an actual authority link that I would use. Paste the URL, and now you want to use any anchors that would be included in any content that this would be placed in. So, for example, if you have an article that would be obviously related to limousines, you may want to have limousine article, limo blog, and things like that as your anchor text. So when the software is posting an article and you have authority links checked for this particular client, it will look for limousine article, limo blog, or limos in VA. Whatever you have in that particular article, it will seek out and it will automatically link it to this website. See, now you've got that website saved. Now, what you should do is you put in anywhere between 5 and 10 in each authority link area, so that way you can kind of have a different authority link group for each article, so you're not reusing the same blog, article, whatever, each and every time that you post. So it's better to have a bunch of them. And after, a few postings, you may want to either create a new group or add a new one to the authority links group that you've already created every time. And eventually you will have created a large group, so that way it automatically will post every time a great authority link that is random and will not leave any footprints for you. So now we got to click Save Changes. Make sure to always click the Save Changes button, otherwise it will not save this and all of your time will have been wasted. Next, go to Images and Videos. Now this is a really cool portion of the site. Come over here and click that. Name your images and videos group, so limos and party buses. Now the purple image button and the blue video button will be highlighted. Now let's start with images first. Click that. Now come over here to search. Notice how it says no images selected yet because you have not selected any. This is the area where you can see what images you've added to this particular group. Now come over here to search. What are you looking for? Limos. And then when you see a limo you want, select, 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 select. Now, with all of those selected, go to the selected portion, and now you see all of the ones you've selected. Come back over here, party bus. Now that didn't really come up with anything. Now, sometimes you have to do a little finagling with your searches, but that's just a part of this database that is connected to the software. So let's do sedans. So you could just pick out sedans if you want, or drivers. There's all kinds of different things you could do to search, but I'm just showing you examples of things you can do. But so we have several images already. Now click Close, Save Changes. Always make sure you save changes. Come back to videos. Do the same thing. Limos. 15 insanely awesome limos. Select. Coolest limousines in the world. Select. And then just simply pick a bunch of limousine videos and then come over to selected, and now you can see all of the limo videos you have, and then hit close, save changes. Now we need to navigate over here back to the view clients page. Go back to edit that particular client. Come down here, authority link categories. Now it already is showing up. You didn't even have to remember it. It pops up for you. And the more you create, the more it will pop up, and you can scroll down a list of all of your groups. Bam. Image video, bam. Come down here, update. Now what this is going to do is allow you to come down here anytime you post, and it's going to create any picture, image, or authority site or video for a particular post, so long as you have it linked to this client. And when you come to posts and you create a new post, you have them checked, authority links, images, and videos. And if you have those checked right there, it will automatically add the image, video at random, either or. It just varies depending upon whether or not you choose one or the other. And it will add an authority link to every post that you make automatically, as long as the anchor text that you have provided is within the article. This concludes the tutorial on how to create a client authority links, images, and videos groups for the client, and what they will be doing for you when you post an article on one of your PBN sites. Thank you.